Hello YouTube, welcome back to Painting Entertainment. Just tried to make another video and my slime fell off the seat. And I'm outside and landed on the dirt. So, anyway, it's our haunted Halloween. We call it Howloween. That's what I call it. And this year's theme is haunted movie theater. So, let's get to it. So, over here, we have a ticket booth. See? T-I-C-K-E, can't see, T-S, tickets. Ooh, it looks so old because it has, like, spider webs. So we have these little tiny cups, and you're, like, wondering, what is this? Skeleton. And also, there is button right there, and it shoots lights, but you can't see because it's like daytime. But anyway, so in here we're going to put, like I said, a horror film. We're going to put it on a projector, or not necessarily a horror film. It's like just like a short film. Kind of scary. We have that spider web, and then this big spider that looks like that. And I'm like, oh my god. I think we left the popcorn out again. We've left the popcorn out again. Okay, anyway, so we have these chairs. And let me just move this over. So right there, we're going to have one of Travis's animatronics. And we're gonna, yeah. And then over here we have a graveyard. My favorite thing here is that. Look at that. It's so cool. Okay, and then we have some RIP. We have like some type of green old warming pan. We have a skeleton and a skull. We have whatever this is. Look at its nails. It's crazy. And we have another skeleton, and then that's it. And then we have these ghosts. And we have this random haystack. Oh yeah, and then we do have a crow. Oh, and let me go and show you the leaf pile we made. Yeah, so pretty much me and Travis, we made like this gigantic leaf pile. And then you see this friend named Hayden Brown that he hates. So we hit the gigantic leaf pile. Like, look at it. It's so big that like I could pretty much jump in it. Woo! Whoa! Oh! Ow! Ah! Oh no. Okay, hold on. I'm saving the YouTube. Let's see. No, I can't see it. Yeah, so pretty much it's all in. Oh! Okay. Sorry. It's like taller than Raven. Oh my goodness, I can barely get it. Something about Raven. Let me just dust myself off, and we're gonna go up. I'll ask Raven if we can see some of his animatronics. Okay, so up in my room. Oh my goodness, I did this so much. YouTube would like to know if you could show us some animatronics. Not that. You okay? You okay? Speak. Let me see.
What?
Okay, YouTube would like to know if we can see some animatronics, so get them out. I
want a skeleton dinosaur to see, yeah. I can take it out of the room because I don't want the birds to get scared.
Okay, that's a good idea. Yeah, so, I don't know how to take this out, but we have a butler, and also we have a scarecrow, when it has this little, like,
Yeah, we're going to Spirit.
Yeah. Wait, today?
Yeah.
Can you go and turn that light on so that YouTube can see?
What light?
That light right there. And then also take that lamp thing off.
No, I'm busy.
Keep flying. There.
Okay, now where's the switch? Oh, there's...
Smooth. Oh my god, it's shiny. Surrender to your master. Then they actually scream at me.
It takes a moment to shut off. It lasts for like a minute.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I shut them off. But I have a little switch that comes with it because right now it's central activated. But if I put the switch in, it'll stop.
Oh.
So if I put the switch in, if you
Nice
press
to
the
meet
button,
you.
it'll-
Oh, can you actually... Oh, wow. You got a switch. It's cool.
button.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to get some better lighting while I setting that up. Okay. You know, maybe opening the window would help.
Here, Mackenzie, I got it to work. Look.
Alright, hold on. Okay. Travis got it to work. It's good. Very, very good. Look at this random rock.
Okay, buddy. So this little tiny button. Look. And then you can press it again. And it just shuts off.
How do you do, like, hook it up?
It's under the mouse. It's like a little wire.
Okay. Switch channel. I think you need a dentist appointment. I think he needs a dentist appointment. Put him with Dr. Charles. FYI, in case you're wondering, Dr. Charles is... look at... Dr. Charles now is the dinosaur dentist. Kind of looks like a dog. Wag its tail. Yeah. Take a good pet it.
You're not supposed to head.
What?
The head's posable too.
Okay, anyway, let's go to the next one. Diamond! Hey, you puppy!
Good
Hey,
luck.
you puppy! Hey, you puppy!